graffiti board down there.
I know, yeah.
Okay guys, so it has been 2 days since we installed a new steering rack in the Civic, and today is actually a scorcher. I think it's about 34 to 40 degrees. So today is actually a good day to actually check if the steering rack is heating up and will be sticky as well. So let's go do the alignment on the car and at the same time see if the power steering is better than the one we had in before. Okay guys, so we're on the road now. So as you can see, steering wheel isn't stucking. The alignment isn't bad. Like if I leave the steering wheel, only goes a little bit to the right. So I'm pretty much very happy and excited that the car is working like a normal street car. But yeah, let's get that alignment done and sort this car out. Maybe give you guys a few rips as well. So as you guys can see, the temp is also perfect. It's a scorcher out today. Very hot. And I'm very impressed by the steering wheel as well. Or the steering, it feels like I have power steering. Okay guys, so we have the car at Tiger Wheel and Tire in N1 City. I'm going to just take you guys down, show you guys what the bottom of this car looks like. So here you guys can see, extremely dry. No rust. This is just like surface rust. There's a radiator, hybrid racing hoses, drive shafts. As you guys can see over here, everything is polished up. Just needs a little bit of clean. You see, there you can see as well. Everything is literally polished. Sway bar. Everything is extremely dry. And then as you guys can see, no rust at all. This is basically just a rubber over here. This is where the roll cage is. So I plan on actually spraying this as well. This is obviously the little plate on the inside of the car. And you guys can see on this side, also super clean. Also just this plate over here that I need to maybe just cover up, maybe rubberize it. This is where the roll cage is. And then let's check, this is the rear. Everything is extremely dry. So obviously the rubber needs to be removed for them to weld the roll cage over here. So this isn't rust, this is just basically where the roll cage was welded. And then this is the massive exhaust, straight pipe. Here you guys can see the piece is a little bit better. I think I plan on removing this. And then as you guys can see here, once again, all the bushings has been redone. Every single bushing on this car has been redone. And here you guys can see braided lines on the brakes. This is the rest of the car. So yeah, that's an overall look at the bottom of the car, guys. But I'll take this opportunity seeing that we are busy doing the alignment as well. Okay guys, and here's another thing I need to address. I think this is the handbrake over here. There's a little seal there that's kind of leaking. So I'm either going to get another brake caliper or have this one redone. But I think I'm going to get the new caliper just so that I can basically just replace it and then have the other one redone and keep that as spares. The same like we are going to do with the steering rack. Okay guys, here's a better look at the rack that we did. Came out very nice. Very nice.
I'm just curious, what you got in here?
K20 EP3 Type R engine.
What is it, what you mean?
I recently bought the car, but I know that by the previous owners it did a 12 straight line, but it's built for the track. So the main purpose obviously is for it to be tracked, and it did a 109 on CIVIC, the track with there, right? And then I think it drove with the Lambo, with the Evo, it's like the track version of it. And the Lambo only did like 5 seconds more. So yeah, it's apparently supposed to be one of the fastest front wheel drives on that track, but there is a bit. Yeah, I think it weighs 850.
Yes.
Like to the golf.
With the engine like that to pull,
That's crazy.
And you don't do the racing yourself?
I used to track my previous car, and then I sold that car and bought a Honda S2000. So obviously I don't really want to track the S2000, so I bought this car as the track car.
So you're a member of the club, obviously?
The S2000 club. I'm good friends with him way beyond the club, because a friend of mine owned the S2000. I used to tag along all the time. But when I bought the S2000, I'm still very good friends with him. I just said I don't attend all the stuff. Yeah. I will attend like where I can, but I'm not really like committed to it, I would say.
It looks like you're committed, that's right.
Well, with the S2000 guys, they go to like, how can I say, like events like parkours and stuff, but this is more, you know, racing, so I will be more committed to this, yeah. The S2000 is just going to be a Sunday car.
That's a classic.
Yeah. That's the idea.
Hondkoffer. Hondkoffer tussen die daskoffer. Been a feud for a long time.
Yeah.
But it's nice.
What do you drive?
That's mine.
Okay.
I bought this thing a year and a half ago. It's owned by one white lady staying cheap.
Oh snap!
This thing is looking good. It's got roll bars and everything in it.
Yeah, the whole suspension has been redone, etc.
So this is your trail arm,
Yeah.
and this is the toe adjuster over here.
Okay.
So what we're trying essentially is to do is to get the toe positive in.
Okay. So push it further this way.
This way, yeah.
This way in.
So this way in.
So wait, you're gonna put this.
Quarter power there in.
But won't this damage anything?
Now I'm gonna get the rubber blocks. If you do looking for more adjustment, get an aftermarket kit.
What toe kit?
Deze hier is dan het tuned as well.
Okay, too. But I mean, is it gonna be right for now?
That's borderline.
But I mean, this car has been set up for the track, so the suspension or everything, it's the alignment right now, I would assume is where it needs to be.
95%.
It's mainly the front area that I wanted to be done, but I mean, whatever you suggest in terms of, and I mean, I want to keep the tires obviously lasting long.
And better handling.
Okay, cool.
At the end of the day.
Perfect. Alright guys, I just thought I'd show you guys. Just check where the camber sits with the camber kit over there, where the ball joint basically sits. Let me just show you guys the other side. You guys can see the difference over there, so that is what we're going to correct as well. And here, this is something cool that I've never realized. In the cockpit on the passenger side is like a little hole, and I think that hole goes to this little section over here. I felt the one side was blocked off, so I'm not quite sure if it's like a drainage thing. It seems like something that just drains the water out, for example. The side is even open here as well. Let me just show you guys what I mean on the inside. As you guys can see over here, it's like it's open on each side. So maybe that's why EK is rust, because they have this little section over here, and mine is still perfect. So there you can see Matthew just lost the screw.
There's the washer there on your foot. You see what somebody did here was they added washers in between.
Okay. It's a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a good thing.
Okay. Anyway, like I was saying guys, Matthew's obviously adjusting the camber over here and he's just sticking it over here. So then Matthew also just explained, and as you guys can see, that little two screws over there, that was added to the camber kit so that the camber basically remains in, if I'm not mistaken, right? Is that correct?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's just another cool thing added to this car.
of the list of things.
Guys, how convenient is this CL9 fender liners being sent via Postnet? And that's where the wheel and tire is. Super convenient. Sorted, guys. So Wayne, your part is on his way. Okay guys, so as you know, myself and Dane were actually tightening all these bolts up in the dark in the load shedding. So Matthew is just talking everything up for me as well. Did we do it a bad job or was it?
Nah, it's a good job.
Okay, perfect. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the differences, right? So this was previously?
Yeah, so the initial over here,
Okay.
that's what the car looked like before we worked on it. You can see over there the canvas, that's the front canvas, 3.5 degrees, almost 4 degrees. We got them up over there, 2 degrees, so they're more or less similar to each other. And then on the rear side as well, the toe, got the toe in and the canvas are the same.
Okay, perfect brother. Thank you so much.
So, do you want to check the tire pressure still?
Okay, please man. Okay guys, so we're just topping up with some nitrogen. We can go for a test drive. This car actually really needs a wash. He did say that you can top up with the normal air, but you can't really fill it up. But yeah, I just thought I'll top it up with nitrogen, because I assume there probably is nitrogen in these tires anyway. Traffic cops on this road or something?
Almost just a little. But there's actually a traffic department down there.
I know, yeah.
But other than that, the car was strong.
Is it?
Especially second, I can feel.
Yeah, but AJ said the tune is out, so it's kind of actually running lean. So he said it's basically just eating fuel. But yeah, it does feel like the alignment is better. They drive normal cars, no? Like you'll see them drive.
Yeah, a lot of them drive standard cars these days, but
What's it, the
I8.
not the i8, the small one, man. What's it called? Like the mini version.
Oh yeah,
The
i3.
what's-
i3, yeah.
That one it always catches me. Man.
Yo.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Okay guys, so we all finish up with the alignment. The car drives perfect, feels like there's even power steering on the car. So yeah, massive thanks to Dane for assisting me, as well as Matthew for assisting me with the wheel alignment. So I just want to touch base on what happened to the previous rack. So to my understanding, while having this issue, I was speaking to the previous owner. So the way they built this car was, you know, for track use and for durability. So as you can see on the car, poly bushings, you know, everything has been redone on the car basically. So what they did with the steering rack was they redid the steering rack, and there's a little bushing in the steering rack. So to my understanding, that bushing is the only thing that can really fail in the steering rack. So what they did was they reached out to another company to assist them with obviously getting something a little bit more durable, and I think it was made out of brass if I'm not mistaken. So to my assumption, what I think has happened is that little brass bushing becomes hot when it's a warm day, and it makes the steering wheel basically stick. So the steering wheel is perfect right now, pretty much everything is perfect on the car, and I'm ecstatic, and I can't basically wait to enjoy this car because everything is sorted now in the car. Okay, maybe it needs some seat belts and a seat, etc., but that is next on the list, so we can obviously have the car roadworthy, etc. So please stay tuned to see if, how can I say, the roadworthy center is actually going to assist us. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are excited as I am for my new K series Civic. So I'm going to end of the video here. Please do like and subscribe. Peace.